Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. We're on deck 6. Check it out. Over here would be the loyalty desk. Loyalty ambassador is on break right now. But there's the loyalty ambassador desk. And this is the schooner bar, where they do entertainment and trivia. On the opposite side, over here on the starboard side, is shore excursions. So if you want to book a shore excursion, you come over here. A little bit forward is the Focus Photo Gallery, where you can see all the photos that these wonderful ship photographers have taken of you throughout your cruise vacation. Let's head down to the main area, the Royal Promenade. Here's the Rising Tide Bar, called so because the bar actually rises. It starts there on deck 5 and goes all the way up there to Central Park on deck 8. If you ever wanted to know how they change a light bulb, there it is. Alright. And this is the Bionic Bar. It's like a regular bar, you can get your favorite beverage, but the bartenders are robots. Check that out. They're not for much for good conversation, but they do mix up good drink. Alright. It's another view of the rising tide. Hello. Across the ways is guest services. And up there, the schooner bar. You got several places to spend your hard-earned money. They got shops here, like this one here. They got the Cafe Promenade. Complimentary snacks here, though. And it's cool sculpture. This looks like it used to be a Volkswagen Bug. Here's Next Cruise, where you can book your next cruise. Another shop. Sorrento's Pizza. Great place to grab a bite to eat. It's complimentary and it's open late. And of course, another bar. This is the Copper and Kettle. It's like an English pub. More shops. These kiosks here normally have things to purchase. The jewelry shop over there. This cool art sculpture. On the left side is On Air. This is like a karaoke bar where you can sing. Or if you think you can sing. Or maybe you can't sing. Either way, have a few drinks. You can sing. Lots of fun. On the right side, it's Boleros. Boleros is like a Latin themed bar. Lots of entertainment here at Boleros. And check this out. They have a Starbucks. A real Starbucks on a cruise ship. Alright. Oh. And up ahead here at the forward part of the ship is the Royal Theatre. Let's check out the Royal Theatre. Alright. We're in the theater. This theater, like everything else on an Oasis class ship, is huge. Just ginormously huge. Not sure how many seats it has, but it's big. Look at that. They have a Broadway show here on the Symphony of the Seas called Hairspray. Oh, surprisingly good. I didn't think it'd be that good, but it is. All right. We're gonna head down. All right. Deck 4. This is known as the entertainment place. Got this like melted like lollipop thing. Some art. Over here, this is a non-smoking casino. This is quite welcome to see. On the right side is the attic. This is like their comedy club. It's kind of funny that it's called the attic, being that it's on deck 4, almost the basement. But there it is, the attic. On the opposite side is the Crown Lounge. Let's take a peek inside. And here inside the Crown Lounge, they should have hors d'oeuvres and little snacks here. You can also order your favorite beverage because they do have access to a bar. And this is the Crown Lounge. All right, let's head back out. Hello. Some of the art is actually pretty cool. Alright. And up here is the casino. Now I can't film in the casino because it is open right now, but here it is. This is where you'd find it, on deck 4. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.